Hi, we have Luca from Deno here at Future Frontend 2024 conference, and we just heard a super interesting talk about JSR. Can you tell us what JSR is?
Yeah, absolutely. JSR is a new JavaScript registry that's built as a replacement for NPM because we feel like NPM has sort of stagnated over the last 5 years under GitHub and Microsoft stewardship. And we feel like this is not very JavaScript-y because the JavaScript ecosystem is very dynamic and moves very quickly. But the registry that we all use that sort of sits between all the library publishers and all the library consumers has sort of just gotten stuck. So yeah, JSR is a new registry that aims to innovate here, doing things like documentation generation or native support of TypeScript. And yeah, built-in support for all kinds of runtimes like Deno, Node, Bun, browsers, or even Cloudflare workers.
Nice. What would you just suggest, why would I move to use JSR?
Yeah, that's a great question. So if you're a package publisher, it'll significantly simplify how you publish your packages, especially if you're writing TypeScript. You don't have to transpile to JavaScript. You don't have to generate any TypeScript declaration files. If you're a package consumer, you get all these nice things for every package, like documentation generation. JSR provides a score for all packages that sort of judges the package based on its quality, based on some metrics that we have. Yeah, and it's just it's a great new user experience. I think you should try it out, jsr.io. You'll fall in love quickly, hopefully.
Thank you. You told that JSR was kind of it was an incubator at Deno that started this project. Was it just a frustration with a NPM register, or was it something else that started this whole project?
Yeah, no, it mostly was, yes. It was NPM was sort of refusing to innovate in any way. It's 2024 now. We have many different server-side JavaScript runtimes. We have Cloudflare workers, we have Deno, we have Node, we have Bun. Amazon has their own runtime. Vercel has their own runtime. Netlify has their own runtime. And yeah, it's just really unfortunate that NPM is not catering to these changes in the landscape at all. Yeah, so sort of JSR was born out of a frustration with NPM just not innovating at all anymore.
Yeah, a lot of inventions come from frustration.
Yeah.
Is there a reason why you wouldn't use JSR? Obviously no, but have you heard a case where it might not be the smartest thing to do?
Yeah, so right now there's a couple of things that you cannot use JSR well for, which is primarily if you're using some JavaScript dialect that isn't really supported by JSR, so things like CoffeeScript or publishing Svelte files. Those are two things that JSR is not very good at yet. But other than that, if you're writing TypeScript code or you're writing JSX code for React or Preact or something similar, it'll work well. I think we have a pretty compelling package for those people.
Thank you. So let's hope everybody is now running into JSR, because I'm sure you weren't the only one frustrated with the NPM register. Thank you so much, Luca.
Thank you.